Aren't all approaches to managing projects created equal? Aren't all project management training programs pretty much the same? If you're trying to manage projects in a matrix, the answer to both of these questions is a resounding no. In a matrix, projects are led by a project leader who typically has no authority over some or all of the people on her team. That requires the project leader to generate buy-in and ownership from the team members, so they will commit to producing the deliverables needed for the project to succeed. The problem is that most project management methods are directive, not collaborative in approach, and do not engender commitment. So what exactly is a directive approach? When a leader leads a team directively, she collects input from the team members, and then develops a project plan that incorporates some or all of that input. She then reviews the plan with the team, where typically each member of the team highlights those activities that have his name on them, hoping he has the time and support from his boss to complete them on time. In a directive approach, the project leader owns the project plan and any problems that arise during its execution. The directive approach does not create ownership or commitment, and this is a disaster in a matrix. Not only are team members not committed to their piece of the project, but they don't understand the interdependencies, how their piece fits into the big picture, or who they are depending on and who is depending on them. In a matrix, you need to use a collaborative project management approach. In a collaborative approach, the project leader does not create the plan. Instead, she leads the team through a collaborative process so the team creates the plan. As a result, the plan created is something the team can commit to. It's one they own. When this is done correctly, the project team members are committed to and are accountable for the project's success. The collaborative approach requires the project leader to shift from planning, directing, and controlling to facilitating the project management process with the team. This requires a new approach to project management and a new set of skills. How do you get project leaders to act as facilitators instead of directors? The most effective way is through training, hands-on, experiential training. Effective training for project leaders in a matrix teaches the leader what the steps in a collaborative project management method are and how to lead a team through those steps. Effective training allows the project leader to practice each of the key project management tools, such as doing a work breakdown structure, assessing risk, creating a schedule, etc. But instead of doing those activities herself and compiling a project plan, she learns how to create the plan with her team. Effective training is training that can be immediately applied to the real-life projects that leaders face when they leave the classroom. It's training that gives project leaders new skills that they will use on the job every day. So ask yourself these questions. 1. Is the standard project management method you've adopted directive or collaborative? 2. Is the training you're using teaching project leaders a collaborative or a directive approach to managing their projects? 3. Does your training prepare project leaders to pass an exam or to collaboratively lead a team through the 4 phases of any project? Managing projects collaboratively is one of the first steps in moving up the Matrix Management 2.0 maturity ladder. Most organizations start at level 0, where directive leadership is the norm. At level 1, they're using collaborative leadership tools and methods on all projects and initiatives. The Matrix Management Institute offers collaborative project management training that will help you move up to Maturity Model Level 1, and that will improve the performance of projects almost immediately. To learn more about our Matrix Maturity Model and collaborative project management training, visit our website or give us a call at 512-900-5511.